Alexa, turn on a light.
Okay.
5 more minutes, 5 more.
A few moments later.
Thursday, October 21st, 2021. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I have a busy day ahead of me. Welcome to my day in the life with the Pixel 6 Pro.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out of where I live. I keep seeing the leaders doing this. We talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my Marshawn shit. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me in the moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Taste toasted and be raised soaked in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing, I be locked in. I was lost here. All that turned me to a target. Niggas plotting on me, I be cautious.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Nassim here, and welcome to my day in the life with the Pixel 6 Pro. And what I'm going to be doing today, you guys, is showing you guys how the Pixel 6 Pro holds up with heavy to moderate use. And I'm going to be doing things like playing games, watching movies, checking up on some emails, and doing some work. But before I go to work, I wanted to tell you guys what I do so that you're not confused. So basically, I do background acting, and you know the people that you see in the background in the movies while the actors are talking? I'm one of them. So today I'm going to be giving you guys some insight into my day and also just showing you how the 6 Pro holds up. And also, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's enjoy today. All right, you guys, so now that I was able to get my morning routine out of the way, I was able to leave my house before it got too late. And while I was waiting for the elevator, I decided to check my phone. And right now it is 5:42 a.m. and I have 100% battery left, which was a pretty great way to start my day. I had a full tank of gas, a full stomach, and was well rested enough to head on the road. Also, you guys, one more thing that I wanted to note is that because of the job I have, I tend to move around different locations from day to day. So basically I use Google Maps a lot, and you know, because it's LA, most drives are around like 45 minutes, but there's no traffic right now, so I should be okay with about like 30 minutes. So let's see what it does. And the place that I was headed to was Baldwin Hills Crenshaw Shopping Mall, which was about 32 minutes away, and my battery is at 99% at 5:49 a.m. So I want to see what my percentage will be once the drive is over. Now, after that long drive, I didn't get to my location until 6:30 a.m. and I was able to use up 9% in 32 minutes, which wasn't too bad, especially since I'm running on 5G. Also, something else I wanted to tell you guys was I'm about to take a quick COVID test, and I'm pretty sure you don't want to see something being stuck in my nose, so I'm gonna be right back. So I just took my COVID test. The light is coming right now, so what I wanted to do was just give you guys an idea of what the camera's like, especially when it's sunrise. So I'm about to take some pretty good pics, nice palm trees around here, and I'm gonna let you guys know. Now, the next thing that I had to do once I got my COVID test was get into wardrobe. Today I was wearing a green shirt with blue shorts to give off a simple sporty look that I really liked a lot. All right, you guys, so now that I just got dressed, we're waiting around to take our pictures so that wardrobe has a note of what we are wearing, just in case they need us for the same type of day within the shoot. So I'm still gonna get some pictures in and some different videos in to show you guys what this camera is really about, because it's now lighter outside. And alright you guys, so after I took some pics and vids, I decided to shed some time on the Pixel 6 Pro by doing things like scrolling through my Twitter, catching up on some YouTube vids, and even talking to my dad about what he has going on for today. And once the shuttles arrived, I had to get on to go to the actual shooting location, which was about 20 minutes away, so I had spent half of that time checking emails and the other half enjoying the scenery of the neighborhood we were going through. Alright you guys, so I just got off the bus. We're on set right now. And right here you guys, you can see that it's 8:01 a.m. and I have about 71% battery left, which honestly isn't too bad because I was scrolling, recording, watching videos, etc. And while we were on downtime, I decided to put my 6 Pro down and finish editing my Apple Watch video, but it technically was still using the battery because I had to connect it to my computer since there was no service. Then once we were called back to set, I put my computer away and took my 6 Pro with me to get more usage. Yeah, so I'm about to be on camera right now. Because they're pretty discreet, I'm not gonna completely videotape it, but one thing I will do is I will show some pictures, show off the camera some more because it's really good lighting right now and we're on a baseball field, so I think it'll be nice. And again, after I took some pics, I was on some downtime, so I decided to go on YouTube and catch up on some YouTube videos that I had all the time in the world to watch. Alright you guys, so I just got done filming. It's been a couple of hours because this is one of those sets where it's like really busy, and you know, crews like put your camera away, put your phone away, stay in tune with the scene. So I wasn't able to really record much, but I did get some shots in like I showed you guys. And right here you can see that we have 48% battery left and it is 11:06 a.m. which again I will say is very impressive because I put the 6 Pro through a lot and it was basically used all the time. And to further test this out, I decided to give my aunt a call to see what she was doing throughout her day, and I even played Subway Surfer to shed some time until we were called back to set. Alright you guys, so I'm about to just toss around the football for a little bit and just give you guys some footage of, you know, Trayvon Diggs Jr. You feel me? Also, we're here near a skate park, and I want to show you guys some dope footage with the skaters. Alright you guys, so it's still a very busy set. We're just doing a lot of takes right now, but after I managed to get my photos off, we're at 1 o'clock right now with 33% since what, 5 a.m. It's 1 now. That's pretty good. I actually really like that. It's actually a really great battery, especially when compared to the iPhone 13. And if you haven't checked that video out, it'll be right here. Now, after I got done taking pictures and videos, I was pretty tired, and while I was waiting for the crew to set up the next shot, I decided to check up on my Twitter to see if anything was going on since this morning. And after that, my homie called me to check up on me, so we had a pretty long convo, and after that, I was watching more videos to enjoy that beautiful screen. Also, I wanted to show you guys how beautiful this sorta sunny colorway looked outside, and how much it complemented the new look of the 6 Pro. Alright you guys, so we finally got called back to holding and it's lunchtime now, and as you can see I have 22% battery left and it is 2:09 p.m. Again, I'm really surprised that this phone has not died on me yet because my usage and the power heavy apps that I'm using is insane, but I'm gonna head over to lunch and use it some more. And as you guys can see right here, for lunch I had 2 tacos, noodles with chicken, white rice, and some veggies, which was pretty good. And while I ate, I decided to watch some videos to squeeze the battery a little bit more and see how it holds up before I head back to set. And alright you guys, so after lunch I had about 9% battery left and it was 3:14 p.m. But before I call it quits, I wanted to turn my hotspot on to finish editing my Apple Watch video. And right here you can see that after editing my video, hotspot was able to use up to 3% of my battery, which isn't bad and shows how tough the 6 Pro is. And alright you guys, so my final time is at 3:42. I have 6% left. And I'm gonna call it a wrap on the day. 3:42. I say, what was it, like 4:50 a.m. until 3:42. I think it's pretty good, and this is with heavy use. So if you are someone who uses it much less, then I would say that this is a major go, especially as far as the battery. You've seen how great the camera is, you've seen how well it operates. So I would definitely say that the Pixel 6 Pro is a major go. See you guys in the next one. And if you guys made it to the end of this video, I would like to say thank you for sticking around, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It would be very appreciated. And as far as social media, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.